Hi, my name is Kasia and welcome back to my channel. So I don't know how I forgot to film an intro, but I'm sorry. So hey y'all. But I just wanted to show y'all how I've been styling my little TWA. So I'm doing a co-wash now with the Carol's Daughter Coco Cream Conditioner. I wanted to do a co-wash because this was not that long after I had cut and bleached my hair, so I just wasn't trying to shampoo my hair too much. But I went ahead and just did a co-wash with the Coco Cream Conditioner. The thing about the Carol's Daughter conditioners, well, the ones that I've used, I should say, is that they have this like super light lather almost to them, which I really like for a co-wash, because other than that, I don't really like co-wash because it don't lather or nothing. But yeah, anyways, so after I go ahead and just basically get all of the leftover product out of my hair with the co-wash, I'll go ahead and rinse it out, and then I'm gonna go in with my deep conditioner and my mix with my Jamaican black castor oil and wild growth. I'm taking the Texture ID Coil conditioning mask with my Jamaican black castor oil and wild growth light oil mix. I'm gonna put the oil over top, and I'll just make sure my hair is completely saturated in the conditioner and definitely saturated in the oil. And then I'll just let that sit while I shower and then rinse it off right before. I don't have a specific temperature. Sometimes I try to do the whole cool water thing, but for real, I just go ahead and rinse my hair out with as long as the water's not too hot for my scalp, for real. But yeah, that's all for the little washing part. Now it's time for styling. So to style, I go ahead and just take the same conditioner that I use for a co-wash as my leave-in. That's why these Carol's Daughter conditioners are super, super convenient. And then I take some Jamaican black castor oil and put that over top. While I'm going through and putting all of the products on my hair, I make sure my hair is wet. Like, my hair has to be soaking wet for my curls to define the way I want them to. And then to kind of hold my curls, I'm using the ORS Wrap Set Mousse. I low-key took too much here, so if your hair is around the same length as mine, then you could use less. But I just take a shuffling motion for all of the products I put in my hair, and I just shuffle it through my hair, and boom, solidifying curls. And then after that, I'm gonna do my edges. And I use the Edgefixer, the Kiss Edge Control. I'm pretty sure it's the Kiss and Sweetie collab, but I don't want to misquote myself, so you know. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my little invisible edges, and then that'll be all. I'm sorry for the low-key echo in here. I'm in my living room and it's echoey in here. But I love y'all so much, and I'm gonna talk for real in the next clip. Well, not for real, but you get what I'm saying. All right. Love y'all. I'm gonna go. Bye. All right, and this is the final look. Zoom in on my edges because they're kind of invisible unless you up on them. But boom. So this is the final look. I know it's super simple, but I just wanted to show y'all how I've been styling my hair so far. But I thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you feel like it. Don't forget, my social medias will be in the description box in case y'all want to connect with me, as well as all of the products I use will be in the description box as well. And don't forget, my DMs are always open if y'all need anything from me. But I thank y'all so much for watching, and I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.